Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I have a good one for you today. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do box braids on dreadlocks. I did one some time ago. I see people saying in the comment section it was too fast. So this is a more detailed tutorial for you guys. And you want to apply your shine and jam and twist the already locked hair. You want to tuck the rest of the locks away so it's not all up in your space. So like I said, you have to go by the size of the already made locks. And for this size, locks is like a medium. So we'll be doing medium box braid. You can also do large box braid for this size of a locks. And for the large box braid, you can do 2 locks into 1 braid. But because we are doing medium size, I'll be doing per 1 locks, if that makes sense. So I use the Pure Knits hair gel or jam. I'll link it down below in the description box if you're interested in it. And I'm sectioning out the hair that I'll be using for the box braid. Like I said, it's medium size. I'm placing the hair on the locks. And since it's already locked there, I can't part the hair into 3. So you just want to take the lock all together with the braid, and you want to make sure the locks is right under the extension hair. As you can see, it's in the back of the hair. That way it's covering, because one of the most important things for this style is to cover up the lock. You don't want the lock showing or sticking out of the braids. So as you're braiding down, you want to make sure you're tucking in the locks at the back of the braids. That is what will give it the natural hair look. And this was my client's first time of ever getting box braids. She's had locks all her life. Her mother contacted me and said her daughter wanted to try braids, something different. And so this was really exciting for her. And I will show you guys the finished look. She was really excited to get braids, and it turned out so beautiful. So please watch till the end to see the finished result. And as you can see, I'm braiding the hair, the braids as tight as possible. So as you're braiding, you want to keep making sure the locks is not sticking out of the braids. It's not going to be 100% perfect like natural hair, of course, but you can get it to look as natural, and it's an undetectable. As you can see, it looks very natural. And even the back, it's not showing. You can hardly tell there is lock inside of the braids. This is how you want it to look like. So I'm done with the first braid, and the second part, you can see the roots is not twisted. You want to apply your jam on the hair, and then you want to twist it before braiding it. That way it looks, the roots looks neat. If not, if you're just gonna braid it on it like that, it's not gonna look neat. So you want to make sure you twist it, see if you're twisting the natural locks, and then braid on it. That way you have a natural scalp or a natural root. And for this medium size, it took about 4.5 hours. Medium box braid usually takes me about less than 4 hours, but because it's not like the natural regular hair, it took a little bit longer because you want to be patient with it. Like I said, as you're braiding, you want to make sure none of the locks is sticking out of the braids. So it takes a lot of patience and a lot of technique, but with time you will definitely get it. And it's pretty much easy to do as long as you know what you're doing and you're tucking in the hair, and you're good to go. braiding, the next thing to do is to set the braids under the dryer after dipping in hot water. And here is the finished look, guys. This turned out so beautiful, so natural. You can, like I say, you can hardly tell she has locks. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you're excited, have you done locks, braids and locks before? This is the before looks. And once again, here is the finished look. This is the before and this is the after. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you have locks, have you gotten braids before? Have you tried something different with your locks? This is a proof that you can do something different with your locks. You don't have to look the same all the time. You can definitely do braids on your locks. This is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. My Instagram is at sooooo112. Kindly subscribe, like this video, and share. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful week. Bye.